Hi, it's Scott from Scalpel Sandy Trader. Today's November 20th, 2024. News series, or try to do each day if I see something. Markets to watch, where I think the opportunity for a bigger move can happen based on my thesis. So I'll cover the two markets here. 1 second. Let me just run this disclaimer here. I'll be back in a minute.
Risk disclosure statement. There is a risk of loss in trading stocks, ETFs, commodity futures, derivatives, options, forex, and cryptocurrencies. This risk can be substantial, and therefore investors should carefully consider their financial suitability prior to trading. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. The software, strategies, chat rooms, websites, and any associated websites are digital venues for educational purposes only and should not be construed as an express or implied promise or guarantee that you will profit or that losses may be limited in any manner whatsoever. Users of the information accept sole responsibility for the outcomes of their deployment in whole Scalpel Trader, LLC, and any associated companies, agents, management, owners, and customers harmless without reservation. Please trade responsibly. Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, Rule 4.41. Hypothetical and simulated trading performance results have certain inherent limitations, some of which are described herein. No representation is being made that any account below is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. In fact, there are frequently sharp differences between hypothetical or simulated performance results and the actual results subsequently achieved by any particular trading program. One of the limitations of hypothetical performance results is that they are generally prepared with the benefit of hindsight. In addition, hypothetical trading does not involve financial risk, and no hypothetical trading record can completely account for the impact of financial risk in actual trading. For example, the ability to withstand losses or adhere to a particular trading program in spite of trading losses are material points which can also adversely affect actual trading results. Because these trades have not actually been executed, the hypothetical results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. There are numerous other factors related to the markets in general or to the implementation of any specific trading program which cannot be fully accounted for in simulated trading or in the preparation of hypothetical performance results and all of which can adversely affect actual trading results.
Alrighty. So the two markets I'm watching for today that I think have potential for big moves based on structure and how the market's trading around them. So remember, I'm looking for structure, and then I'm looking for the real-time stop iceberg events, confirming in the area, and then I trade bigger in that direction than I normally do, just based on my thesis confirmation. So anyway, crude has been balancing here for the last couple days, actually last weekish, and yesterday came up here, built another balance area. So what I'm circling here, squaring here, is the balance area, two-sided trade where traders are placing bets. So you had a bigger one here, and you had a smaller one here, and it's what's not all balance areas are created equally. Yesterday we saw a bunch of sell ice here. That is, I think it was around probably 1,500, 2,000 sell ice. That's what this shaded area is. Anyway, it's in this balance area, and you can see how this market kept rejecting when it tried to sell up. So not only was there sell ice here, you have a selling tail, meaning the market rejected, selling tail, selling tail, selling tail. So that was telling you something was up right there. And then we go into today, and the market is opening right around here. So I'm watching for a balance breakout of, it's all fractal, so that's a bigger balance, but the smaller balance and what I saw yesterday. So any volume events I get, the stop iceberg volume events, which is the driver of my trading that I get that are bullish, I'm trading double size and looking for a move back to probably at least this. So the rule of thumb for these balance areas, when they break out, you can expect the what's expected is usually the height of the balance area. So this would be looking like what's this, about 300 or $3, 300 ticks. So I would expect at least a $3 move outside of this over the next few days. Maybe today, don't know, obviously, but that's my guess. Again, it's just an opinion of what I think is going to happen, and then I let the real-time volume events tell me which way to trade and trade bigger. So that's crude, and then the other market I'm watching here is soybeans. This is not looking very bullish for bean owners. So you had balance, tried to break out, came back, put in a whopper selling tail back here, held the high volume node, which is just the area of most trade in a balance area, and built another balance, and then is doing another balance, failed balance breakout, and it closed right here at this high volume node, and it is opening down here at 990. So not only is this through this guy's high volume node, it's through that one, and this could be a whopper to the downside. So again, just my opinion and just my guess. The thesis is a guess, but if I get real-time volume events, which I have rules of trading around, and they're bearish, I am trading double size. I might trade triple size shorts depending depending on, say you see a bunch of sell ice, so that's just telling you the big money is selling too, so on and so forth. I might trade triple size, but I'm definitely going to trade double size, and I'm expecting a whopper move over the next few days. But as with anything, if something doesn't happen that's expected, right? I talk about this all the time. I expect this. If for some reason this holds and then does one of these, and then I would change my tune. You know, it gets back above that, back above this, I'd say the line in the sand is $10, and then I'd be looking to trade double size longs because it should have died, didn't, go the other way. Again, these are all just guesses. We'll let the real-time volume events tell you, and that's the core of my trading, like I continue to say, and I let them tell me. But if they're in the direction of my thesis, I trade bigger. So that's those are my opinions for today.